The higher the hair, the closer to God.
Amen. Oh my God. 5. Hi, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Lauren, and welcome back to Hack or Scrap.
Today we're going to be trying out some of the weirdest hair hacks from history.
So this hack is coming straight from the 1950s. This Twinkie-shaped object was used to create the equivalent of a faux fringe. This little style was inspired by icons such as Betty Page. It is a bumper bang.
You know what this reminds me of? Mr. Hanky, the Christmas poo, he's small and brown and he comes from you.
So obviously the pillar of this style is going to be backcombing, an absolute family favourite from the 1950s.
Oh, I hate backcombing. We have to.
The higher the hair, the closer to God.
Amen.
Woo! It's like that scene in What's Everybody's Sweetest Thing, was everyone's talking about Mary.
Oh yeah, she
Angels.com.
got some sperm in her hair. How many Cameron Diaz films can you name in one go?
That was trivia, I won. So we're going to take our Twinkie and Mr. Hanky.
Frankie.
Widow Twanky.
From Christmas. Who am I?
So now we've sectioned off our bumper, we're going to make a banging. Start rolling.
Hang on.
And rolling.
Oh, that's it.
I'm cute. How do you get that to stay?
Maybe we have to move it around a bit.
Oh.
Do you put it over your ears? I think I've done it.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Yours looks like a helmet. Wrap.
Yeah. Make sure the elastic doesn't get caught. Keep slipping out. That's what she said. Carefully not to ruin your nice curl. Get your rest of your hair and pull it through Mr. Elastic so that she's not on show. And voila! Ugly.
It does need to like curl upwards towards like here.
If I did that,
like this,
I would
we'd
look-
be perfect.
are you serious? You know what all the haters are going to say? Wait till you take her swimming.
Yeah, I'll use it as my buoyant.
If anything, this looks more futuristic than past. It looks like an alien's hair.
I'm gonna give it a scrap.
Me too. I'm giving it a scrap again. Thought was there, execution was not. So, in the Victorian times, they had a very interesting way of curling their hair. And that was with papers. Triangle-shaped papers, to be exact. It's a, what's it called? Australasical.
Oh.
Obstacle triangles.
Obstacle.
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Obese. So first of all, you take a section and you wrap it around your fingers. So I want mine to go outwards, so I'm going to wrap outwards like that. And I'm going to take the triangle paper. I'm just going to rest her on her laurels. Then you fold, encase the curl, then a case this way. Then you should be left with sticky out bits, and you just take one, take two, and you do, and you twist it.
A small present for the paupers. And roll, roll, roll. So I leave it on there.
Yeah.
My curl's going to bed. Good night.
That's it.
See you in the morning.
That's it. Twist the out of her.
Take my hair.
3, 2, 1.
A princess.
Yeah.
All right then, we'll be back in a minute once we've done our whole heads.
This will be a really fun experience for us both.
Our blood pressure will be through the roof. That process for me, absolutely horrific. I want to die a Victorian death.
I want a refund.
Give me the cholera or the
Plague.
tuberculosis. Thank you.
I feel like once I got into the swing of it, it was all right, but the first couple were difficult to navigate. Just need to find some rhythm and find a talent for origami in the process.
So the trick of getting the papillote curls to form is to apply heat. Obviously the Victorians would have used like a
rod.
soldering iron or something, but we've got some straighteners, so just use your imagination.
Oh.
Let's
try.
Let's try.
Oh my god!
Just fainted as a Victorian would. That's amazing! The papillote princess.
I can't believe that worked.
My turn.
Pull on the tab.
Oh my gosh, shrinky doodle dandy. And pull.
Pull the trigger.
It actually wasn't even in there.
This is... Oh,
Okay,
spoke too soon.
another.
Uh-oh.
Shut. Oh. It's all downhill from here.
I knew it was too good to be true. Look at this.
Oh my God, I'm going to send this home to my family.
What, the papers? You go try it out.
Oh my God, look at that.
I can't.
No. No.
Oh,
Oh no!
Your hair is such a goody-goody, it just does what it's told. I'm not mad at it because it could have been worse, do you know what I mean? In the scale of things we've tried on Hack or Scrap curling methods, it's not the worst thing in the world, but also far from the best.
I am really pleasantly surprised at this. I absolutely hated the method. It can die a death, but I'll give it a hack.
You're giving it a hack?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it a tentative hack. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Let us know in the comments below if you've tried any of these hacks before and what you want to see from us next. Bye.